Hey guys, Brett here with American Bully, coming to you with another Waterjet Wednesday video. Today's video I'm going to be doing some experimentation with some 3D objects, and I've been wanting to do this for a while now. So we'll see how it goes. It could go good, it could go bad. I'll show you what I've drawn up here. We have a few challenges to overcome. I think I've set it up pretty good, so let's see how it comes out. So now that you've seen what I've drawn up, let me show you the setup. We got a 4x4 square tube, and we've kind of tried to brace it so it won't move side to side. And it's kind of what we're going to do. So that was exciting to say the least. I would say that semi-worked, about a 2 out of 5. But some late night experimentation, learned a few things, Waterjet did some weird things, so we'll see you on the next Waterjet Wednesday.